get to ride in this bitch. Look at that. Fuck yeah, bro. You know, as much as I fucking hate this town, it is a really pretty town. Sometimes, you know... Oh, shit. That don't look good up there. Fucking rain. Man, look at this light. Shit just wants to eat. Feels like there's a whole lot there once you're at 30. Now the only thing I will say is the fact that this is an off-road bike. It is an off-road bike. It comes with knobby pneumatics. It's not meant to ride on the road. But it's a hell of a lot of fun putting it on the road, man. It is a different feeling.
I don't need it, I'll be alright. We're already halfway there. What's that mean?
Got some fucking coppers up there, bro. Got a cop in front of us.